Hello, my name is Marge and I'm a learning advisor with Student Success. I want to take this opportunity to introduce myself and introduce the rest of the team and let you know what types of resources we have and what type of services we have. So, this is how you get to us. If you go to your Student Hub, you go to the support tile there, and that brings up our website. You can scroll down. You can either go through the support services up there, you find your online resources there, or if you go to Student Success here, that's where you get to our team. So have a look here. You'll see the range of services that we have. So wide range of services from career services to international services, Pacifica support, etc., etc. Yes. So and if you click on any of those, it opens up a little accordion, I think it's called, with the person's details and how to contact us. There's also some general contact details here on how to find us. We're situated in the hub. You'll see behind me that way. There we go. That's where we are, but it doesn't mean that we're not accessible to distance students, because we're very much accessible to distance students either by email or by phone or by Skype, so we can work in a number of different ways. So if you contact us and let us know what you need some help with, then we can contact you at a time that's suitable. But I just wanted to jump into our resources here just to show you how much is actually there, because there's heaps there too for you to dip into. So for instance, if you click on working on assignments, you've got stuff here like citing and referencing if you need some help, or just some general academic writing, writing essays, writing literature reviews, but also things like preparing for exams and some other bits and pieces there. So every time you click on something else, there's those tiles change again. So heaps of stuff there. So please feel free to have a browse. So I think that's enough for now. Where to get hold of us, and in the next couple of weeks we get a few more members of our team to introduce themselves by way of video. And all the best. We'll see you soon. Bye.